Well, greetings and salutations, my excellent friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am here in my classroom a few minutes before class starts, and I saw something downstairs in the 7-Eleven that I had to try. Oh yes, it is the garlic chip. That's right, potato chip garlic flavor. And it says right here, 100% fresh potatoes. So this is a 7-Eleven exclusive. It is 56 grams, 325 calories, retails for 1,500 won. We have a little subsidy here at the university, so it was 1,200 won for a bag. I can't get it open. All right. Actually, pretty well stocked here. Not a lot of garlic aroma. It's not even like potato chip aroma.
아니요.
But it's there. Hello!
여보세요?
So not too bad. My students came in.
저 여기 랩
I like these better than the onion flavor.
뭐지? 소희랑 영랑이랑 같이 듣고 왔어요.
Wouldn't buy other ones though. All right, that's it for today.
언니 일로 와요.
I'll check you later. Be true to yourself and always
네네.
be awesome.